Upgrading to Windows 10 is not similar to other previous upgrading systems. Many things can happen during the upgrading process. Hardware may fail to install new operating system, you may not like Windows 10, or there have any other software compatibility issues. That is why it is always recommended to keep a backup copy of your existing operating system before doing any major changes. Just like Windows 7 in the previous section, I will show you how to create a system backup of your Windows 8.1 computer. On the desktop environment, right-click on the Start button and select Control Panel. Go to System and Security category. Here you will see Save backup copies of your files with file history. Click the link, but I am not going to use file history here. Only one thing I can do by selecting System Image Backup link from the bottom left corner. This option will allow you to create a backup copy of your Windows 8.1 PC. Your current system, programs, your files and settings are included in this backup operation. If you want to go back for any region, you can use this system image and will be able to restore it. Here Windows looks for a backup drive. It's found another hard disk drive. You can simply select DVD option to keep your backup on DVD-ROM. It will burn the system image on DVD and later you can boot up your computer from this DVD to recover any damage. It is possible to keep your backup data to a network location. For now, I am stick on hard disk option and click next. You can see the summary of which drive are you going to be backed up. Finally, click Start Backup button and it will take some time to complete the operation. So this system is now secure to perform upgrading to Windows 10.